Let's get those good endorphins flowing with a total body stretch designed to increase flexibility, improve mobility, and enhance your overall well-being, all while entirely seated in a chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance with your hands to your thighs, moving into torso circles. Inhale, circle your torso forward and around, lifting through your heart. Exhale, circle back, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue moving at your own pace, allowing this gentle movement to create more space and ease through your neck, shoulders, chest, and spine. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, moving slowly and gently, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Sitting tall, with your hands to your hips, begin to alternate lifting and lowering through your heels, waking up the energy of your feet. Continue with this movement, feeling a gentle stretch through your feet, toes, and ankles, while increasing circulation. Release and return to center. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your left leg active by contracting through your quadriceps. Release and return to center, moving into a reverse plank position variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, opening across your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, gently pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to circle your right leg open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly as you switch directions. Adding on, cross your right leg over your left. Clasp your left hand to your right ankle, keeping your right foot lightly flexed, gently drawing it towards your outer left hip as you fold forward. Keep your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Lift your torso to upright and release, repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your left leg and circle open and around for an external hip rotation, creating more mobility and flexibility through your left hip. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. And cross your left leg over your right. Clasp your right hand to your left ankle, keeping your left foot lightly flexed, gently drawing it towards your outer right hip as you fold forward. Keep your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your outer left hip. Lift your torso to upright and release, returning to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.